Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up or create a new account for Chime. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to open a web browser and type in chime.com in the URL box and search. Once you end up in the official website for Chime, click on the sign up button at the top right hand corner. Start off by typing in your name and your email address. Now, click on the next button. Enter your date of birth on the next page. And remember that you must be 18 years old or older to join Chime. After you are done entering your date of birth, click on Next. Enter your phone number that you have access to in the text box. If you want to receive marketing updates and exclusive announcements, check on this little box at the bottom. If not, leave it unchecked and click on Next. Enter your home address on the next page. After filling in your address information, click on Next and then create a strong password to keep your account safe on the next page. Make sure to include uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers in your password. Once you have a strong password, tap on Next and enter your social security number on the next page. After entering your social security number, click on Next and then answer the questions that will be asked to you along the way, such as your income source. Choose the nature of your work, go ahead and enter all of the necessary details along the way and click Next. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and then click on Submit Application and go through the security verification process. After going through the prompts, you will then be able to submit your registration for a Chime account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.